Hi everyone, my name is Suman from Nationwide Migration and Education, your trusted team of highly experienced migration professionals helping individuals and employers across the globe navigate Australia's visa system with confidence. In today's video, we are going to explore the temporary work short stay specialist visa, also known as the Subclass 400 visa. If you are an employer in Australia looking to bring in overseas talent for a short-term project, or you are a highly skilled professional with specialized expertise needed for a specific job, this visa might be exactly what you need. We'll cover who's eligible, the step-by-step process, the documentation requirements, how long it takes, and how we can assist you with a smooth application. So let's dive in. So what is the Subclass 400 visa? The temporary work short stay specialist visa Subclass 400 is designed for individuals who have specialized skills, knowledge, or experience not readily available in Australia and who are required to undertake short-term, highly specialized work or participate in non-ongoing projects. This visa is generally granted for up to 3 months, with some exceptions allowing stays of up to 6 months, depending on the project and business case. Now, who is the 400 visa for? So this visa is ideal for employers in Australia who need to bring in overseas specialists to complete a short-term project or assignment, foreign professionals with niche or highly technical skills not easily sourced from the Australian labour market, individuals invited to Australia for work that requires knowledge, skills or experience that's highly specialised and non-ongoing. Examples include engineers or technical specialists for infrastructure projects, IT professionals for short-term software implementations, medical or scientific experts, highly experienced trade workers in building and construction sector, high-level trainers or consultants. Now, to be eligible for the Subclass 400 visa, you must have highly specialized skills, knowledge or experience relevant to the proposed work, have a genuine intention to stay temporarily in Australia, have an invitation or offer of work from an Australian business, meet health and character requirements, have adequate financial support for your stay, maintain adequate health insurance while in Australia. So this visa is not suitable for ongoing employment roles, jobs where the skills are easily found in the local market, individuals intending to undertake training or education. Now, some of the important things about this visa are that the work must not be ongoing or permanent. You can include family members in the application, but they may not be eligible to work. You should not start work in Australia until the visa is granted. The department may request additional documents or conduct checks, especially if the role seems to overlap with locally available skills. Now, at Nationwide Migration and Education, we regularly assist both employers and international professionals in navigating the Subclass 400 visa process. Whether it's ensuring your documents are correct, clarifying whether your project qualifies, or preparing a strong case for a 6-month stay, our team of experienced migration agents is here to guide you from start to finish. If you're an employer needing quick access to overseas expertise or an individual with a specialized skill set, get in touch with us today. I would also like to invite you to our free webinar happening this Thursday at 11 a.m. AEST. This session is especially helpful if you're already in Australia, recently completed your studies, about to finish your course, or you are a new international student trying to understand your future visa options. We'll be discussing the latest migration trends, strategies for permanent residency, visa options, and how to plan your next steps smartly. If you would like to join, the registration link is in the description below, and yes, it's completely free. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And remember, at Nationwide Migration and Education, we are not just agents, we are your migration strategy partners. If you need help with the Subclass 400 visa or any other visa option, feel free to reach out to us. We'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.